This is fitting the planet cage subassembly to the axle. Install the axle in a vise or this jig with the left side facing up. You will see the shift control cams. Apply some grease, Castrol CLS 00 grease, to the control cam area and on top of the axle. Then, a little bit inside where the shift cams will actuate inside of the sun gears. Slide the planet cage subassembly down. You'll need to rotate it back and forth until it drops down all the way. Then install the clip with some snap ring pliers down until it engages the axle. Finally, apply some grease under the pawls of the planet cage subassembly and lay some grease onto the planets as you rotate them. Rotate it back and forth to work it in, and then you're done.